have a question to piggyback off of that from Twitter. Someone says, my daughter is interested in tanning and wants to tan, but my husband and I put the kibosh on tanning, but she still does it behind our back. What should we tell I think they said that she's like 15. What do we say to our 15-year-old daughter who wants to tan and wants to have a tan?
That's incredibly frustrating for parents. First of all, Indiana legislation currently requires parental consent for minors to tan. Unfortunately, many minors either forge signatures or tanning beds do not have the regulations in place to prevent, for that to be regulated. There are tanning beds that will allow minors to tan. I honestly wish that 15-year-old could spend a day either with me or Dr. Badia, and it wouldn't take long for that child to realize the dangers of tanning. But children often have an immortal attitude, and it can be very difficult for them to understand why certain behaviors are dangerous. There is a good video on YouTube, I think, Dear 16-Year-Old Me, that a lot of young teenagers watch, and I think it's very touching and very poignant. I would recommend that the 15-year-old watch that.
Thank you.
We have another question here in terms of how often should I get moles and skin spots examined, and who should I go to?
Well, I think typically you're going to be seeing a dermatologist for skin examinations, and how often you're seen really depends on your specific situation. Most people will come in and present to a dermatologist. The dermatologist will have them place a gown on, and then each body part will be examined with, each body part will be examined individually, and will maintain that patient's modesty. Depending on how many atypical moles the patient has, how fair they are, how much sun exposure they have had in their lifetime, and how much sun damage they currently have, will make a recommendation on how often they need to be seen. That could vary from every 2 to 3 months to every 2 to 3 years.